time to unbox. Hey creature friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Sue here, and I'm here with an update on some of the things I've been crocheting. Actually, I just lied. I've only crocheted one thing so far, but it is so cute that I just could not wait to show you exactly what I made. Ta-da! I made a little outfit for this little guy here. I love the way the colors really make this Labubu pop. And if you remember in my last video, I had talked about crocheting some items for some of my Labubus, and this is really more of a work in progress because I'm planning on adding other details onto the dress too, like maybe adding some gemstones. I just have to go through my craft box and look for them, but I just could not wait to show you how cute this little guy looked. So if you didn't get a chance to check out my other video that I unboxed from Pop Mart, please go to the description box in the link below, and then you can check out the video on how I unboxed one of Pop Mart's Have a Good Run series. On the subject of unboxing, check it out. I have some new blind boxes to unbox today. So what happened was I picked up a couple of these Nommi dolls that you see behind here, and these are very popular, and ever since I picked them up, I've been playing with these eyes that are on the dolls, and I'm so obsessed with that I actually went on Whoopea.com and I ordered a bunch of blind boxes with IP characters that also have the movable eyes. So I thought I would share them with you today and unbox them for you so that you can see what I picked up exactly. So as usual, oh, Jack is getting ready to exit the video, or not. Are you ready for the unboxing? He's so cute. Okay, now back to the video. If you saw my last video on unboxing, what I normally do is I give these blind boxes to my husband, and he will very kindly help me to blade them open because I'm horrible with using sharp objects. That's just not my thing at all. But before he does that, I just want to show you some of the items that I ordered from Whoopea.com. So these guys here are, I think they're called the DOUBAO series. The name is down here. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but the box is so cute. So I picked up 2 of these DOUBAO IP characters to unbox for you today. And the funny thing is, I tried to look for an unboxing review on the full set of these IP characters, but I could not find any. I found some shorts on unboxing 1 or 2 of these, but I actually have not found any unboxing videos of reviews on the full set. So I picked up 2 just in case, because I'm not sure if I will like them. But if you can see here, these are the choices that we have, and I just think they're super adorable. They're based off of the Chinese Zodiac, and I am looking forward to hopefully getting, ooh, let's see. Oh my gosh, the mouse is very cute, and I would love to get also the little chick or the little pig down here. So the back here, or the side panel here, also shows that you can actually unbox 3 secrets. It's 1 out of 144, so that is a very difficult way of getting a secret. 1 out of 144 is quite high. So the next series that I picked up from Whoopea.com are these Nommi sitting zoo characters. These are plush pendants that also have the movable eyes. So I'm looking forward to opening them up, and let me show you what are some of the choices that you can unbox. Actually, they all look very cute. I'm not sure what the secret looks like, but I can try and find a picture of it, and then I will show it on the screen up here. And Samuel, I think it's called the Lucky Cat, if I'm not mistaken. There's no actual name of the IP here. It just says Samuel, and then it says Happy down here. And they all come in little cat costumes like that in different colors. But this one also has the movable eye, so that's what made me pick one of these up. I think I would love to get the pink cat They all look very, very cute. And then the secret here, I don't know what the secret looks like for this series, but I guess we'll know if it's a secret if it doesn't match any of these photos over here. But yes, so we'll be unboxing this one too. So we're gonna start with the Nommi series, and I can't wait to see what these look like. All right, let's see what we're gonna pull from here. Oh my gosh. Ooh, they feel so springy. Oh, it's the elephant. Look at her. That is so pretty. Oh, it's so soft. And let's have a look at the eyes. So here's the first one. And then there's the second one. And then that's the third one. Wow. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought. I thought these would be a little bit smaller, but they look amazing. And let's have a look at what else does it come with. Ah, there you go. So it also comes with this little holder so that you can attach it and it becomes a plush pendant for your bag. And then the card is this one here, and it says Cloudy Elephant Puff. Super cute. Oh, I love this one. Wow. Oh, and I just noticed that on the ears, they have this embroidered bow on it. The details to these Nommi dolls are so amazing. And it's got this little ruffle around its neck. And of course, this cute little pink bow. Wish you guys can feel how soft this is. Super cute. Let's move on to the next one. This one here, the box is a little bit damaged. It's not too bad, but that's just how it is with things that are shipped or delivered. But other than that, it is packaged very, very carefully. I was pretty impressed when I ordered. This is my first order from Whoopea.com. So far, let's see which one I'm gonna grab from this one. Oh, it's the puppy. Oh my gosh, this one is super adorable. Oh, I was really hoping I would get one of these puppies because if you look at this one here, it's got the little hair tie like a little Shih Tzu, and this one is super soft. It's a very different texture from the elephant if you have a look at them side by side. And let's have a look at the eyes. There's the first set, and then you have the second set, and then the third set. Oh, this is super, super cute. And the card says, Latte Woof Woof. I think Jack also wants to unbox one.
Let's unbox the red one.
Do you want to unbox one? You want to do the red one? Well, since Jack chose the red one, we'll just go with the red one as the next unboxing. All right. So this is again the Samuel IP, and I have no idea what to expect from this one. It's a much bigger bag. Oh wow, it's so red. Look how pretty this bag looks. So detailed. Really, really cool. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get from this one. Wow! I got the yellow one, and it also has a pendant up here. Wow, this is very yellow though. And you can see that the eyes rotate around like that. That's super cool. Did they come with, oh, they actually come with different eyes. I had no idea. Now this is a feature, and they have little star imprints on them. And they smell good too. It's got a scent on them. And it's got some Chinese characters on its little, I think it's a little gold nugget. And this one is so soft too. Oh, this is so cute. And then you can switch them around like this. So you can have like a mismatched eye like that. So cute.
And it's not on the side of the box.
What?
I think you got the secret.
What?
I think so.
Oh my god! Did I pull a secret?
It's called money rolling in.
This is
Yeah, it's on the tag.
what? Oh my god! Guys, I pulled a secret. I've been sitting here talking for like 5 minutes and not even realize I pulled a secret. Oh my god, this is so cool. I was not expecting that. So this is like my first official secret. And that is amazing. Oh my god, it smells so good. I cannot believe we pulled a secret. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow. Okay. Actually, I have to admit, I was a little bit stunned at how yellow it was at first. I was like, wow, this is a very yellow cat. But you know what? It's actually growing on me. Alright guys, so we have these last 2 remaining. These are the DOUBAO ones that that I can't find any like proper full reviews on. So I bought 2 of these, so let's just see how they go because I'm a little bit worried. I don't know why there's not a lot of videos about the series here because I think they are super cute. I love the box. I love how pink it is, and I love the design on these boxes here. Like, look how cute that little cloud is at the corner. Like, the details that goes into these boxes are just amazing. So let's just start with this one and let's just get into it. Oh. Now I'm so curious if we're gonna pull any more secrets because these are all bought randomly. They're all bought in the same, they came in the same order, so there should not be any dupes. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna get? Oh, we got the pink one! Oh my gosh, I wanted the pink one, or one of them. Oh my god, they're so cute! Look how tiny they are! Oh, look how cute they are!
Dainty.
So dainty, yeah. Oh, this is so adorable. And let's check out the eyes here. They go up and down like that. There we go. So I think we get 2 sets of eyes. And let's check out the card. Oh, it comes with a pendant. And it's a little tiny pendant and it's pink, so it matches your little plush pendant. And then the card here says DOUBAO at the back. Oh, but there's no English on this card. I'm just gonna assume that character is for pig because this is the Chinese Zodiac series. Here you go. Awesome. Next, this is the last one. All right. Let's see what we get. Are you hoping for any of them? You wanted the dragon, I think. Oh my god, this came out so it's green. It's a green one, so do you think we're gonna get a dragon? Oh, which one is this one? Oh, it's the snake!
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's so cute! Oh my gosh! That's the little snake. Okay, let me show you the eyes. So that's the first set of eyes. And then we have a little bit stuck. And we have the set of eyes. Oh, these are super cute! Wow! Let's check out the card. Oh, the card is very cute. Alright guys, well thank you so much for joining me today and watching my video. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. I am going to have more unboxing and crochet outfits to show in the future. I've got actually 2 more orders coming in. So if you really enjoy watching this video, please join my community and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!